welcome to Tech Tour. Today, I hope you all are well and doing so well. Today, in this video, I am going to talking about Zoom, and this is video will be how to you can check our account for that subscription we will provide you 100 participant or 300 participant. How can you log in it easily? Simply go to Zoom, go to your Zoom app. If you have, I hope, in your PC or laptop a Zoom app, simply open it. Then open it, then sign in. Then here the mail and password. We will provide this type of mail and password to you. Go for it and copy it. Then copy it, paste it here. Then the password. This type of password we will provide you if you purchase from us a Zoom plan. Then sign in. Then here this is the there is the option verify via one-time passcode. Simply click on here and wait for the passcode. We will provide the passcode to you. After providing you a passcode, simply go there and paste it. After pasting this, verify. Now you are in your Zoom account. That's we have provided you. This is your Zoom account. And how can you check it? That is his license or fraud. Simply go there, my profile. That's going there. You need to simply log in again. Login. After login, that here is the all account. That is the 100 participant, and you can host up to 330 hour per meeting with up to 100 participant. Okay, and see this. This is license account, and from there you can scheduler. From there you can select your schedule of meeting and then recording and transcript. If you go there option, you will got the recording of you done in your account. You will got from there. Then now I am going to making a meeting for you so that you can understand it. If you go it for meeting, look at here, and the meeting already started. I'm going to close it. Then see the meeting is already started. From there you can share it. Okay, then you can record everything available in this. Okay, but in 100 participant you will not able to live stream. For this you have to purchase 300 participant. Okay, I hope this is very helpful to you. One more thing, that how can you change your name and other things. From go after going this website of Zoom, then this is the profile picture. You can upload your profile picture from there, and you can also edit your name from there. Like I'm going to take simply. Also you can this Tech Tour. If you save this, if you go again your meeting, if you end it, see now the meeting is on your name, the Tech Tour, and in this way you can check your account. And hopefully this video is very helpful to you, and thanks for purchasing from us.